Hey everyone, welcome to Jake and Jenna's Office English Podcast. I'm Jake.
And I'm Jenna. Today we're kicking off with episode 1, and we're talking about the English phrases you absolutely need to survive your first week at an English-speaking office.
Whether you're starting a new job or just want to sound more professional, we've got you covered. Jenna, what's the first situation everyone faces on day one?
Meeting new colleagues. So instead of just saying, "Hi, I'm Jenna," try this. "Hi, I'm Jenna. I just joined marketing team. It's great to meet you."
Nice. And here's a pro tip. Always add a question, like, what team are you with? Or how long have you been with the company? It keeps the conversation going.
Exactly. Okay, next situation. You're in a meeting and you didn't catch what someone said. Jake, what should you not say?
Don't just say, what? That sounds rude. Instead, try, sorry, could you repeat that? Or, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?
Perfect. And if you need clarification, say, just to make sure I understand, are you saying that? Then repeat what you think they meant.
Smart move. All right, here's one I use every day. You need help from a colleague. How do you ask politely?
Good question. Don't say, "I need you to help me." That's too direct. Instead, say, "Would you be able to help me with something?" Or, "Do you have a moment to look at this?"
And always end with, I really appreciate it, or thanks so much for your time. People remember politeness.
Okay, big one. Your boss asks you to do something, but you're already swamped with work. What do you say?
Ooh, tricky. You can't just say, I'm too busy. Try this. I'd be happy to help. Right now, I'm working on the quarterly report. Which one should I prioritize?
Yes, you're showing you're willing, but also being honest about your workload. It's professional and respectful.
Another phrase. I can definitely get that done. Would it be okay if I finish it by end of day tomorrow? You're managing expectations.
Love it. Now, let's talk about emails real quick. When you're writing to someone for the first time, how should you start?
Keep it simple. Hi, Sarah. I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out because... That's friendly but professional.
And to close the email, use, "Please let me know if you have any questions," or "Looking forward to hearing from you."
Golden. All right, last scenario. You made a mistake at work. How do you own up to it?
Serious, but constructive. Don't make excuses. Say, "I apologize for the error. I'm working on fixing it right now, and here's what I'm doing to make sure it doesn't happen again."
Accountability is key. Bosses respect people who take responsibility and show they're learning from mistakes.
Absolutely. So let's recap today's survival phrases. Number 1, introduce yourself with your team and ask a question back.
Number 2, politely ask people to repeat things with, could you repeat that? Or, I didn't quite catch that.
Number 3, ask for help with, "Would you be able to help me?" And always say thanks.
Number 4, manage your workload by asking which task to prioritize first.
And number 5, own your mistakes, apologize, and explain how you'll fix them.
That's it for episode 1. Practice these phrases this week and watch how much smoother your office conversations become.
Thanks for listening, everyone. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's learning English Office.
Catch you in the next episode. I'm Jake.
And I'm Jenna. See you soon.